make sure I give.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be reviewing a wig again, another wig. I should just make this a series because I be getting like a lot of wigs, I have like a bunch of hair reviews to do. But the wig I'm reviewing today is from evahairwig.com. It comes like this little bag. It says 615 at the bottom, 22 inches. You know your girl love her some inches longer than 20 longer. It's my baby. So here's the wig right here in its glory. I took it out the hair net yesterday. I forgot to put it back in the hair net. But this is how it looks. Is pretty like yellow. So and I already like I powdered it and everything yesterday. Like the the knots and whatnot. I want to try something different. I don't really know how I feel about the blonde look. I'm kind of scared, but I was like a little adjustable little elastic, not adjustable elastic, just elastic in general. We have a few. I'm pretty sure they have way more than this, but this is what they have. Well, this is maybe this is it. This is hot, so maybe this is the ones that people get a lot of. I don't know, but there's a nice variety of them. You get a nail file. Don't know why, but get one. And get some spooky eyelashes. Oh, you get a weaving cap as well, but I don't think anybody and their mother use that at all. So, but I'm going to install the wig now. You guys can see me blonde hair. Let's see if I look cute, because I think I'm gonna look ugly. Put on that wig and then come back. I didn't say that.
I'm asking because you acting mad like you don't want to say nothing, so.
Listen, if you want to hang up, you can hang up. Alright guys, so the wig is on. Look at the back, bro. I gotta comb that. We're giving Barbie vibes. Yo, this is like too much for school for me. I don't think I can do it. No, can't do it, guys. But I'm gonna put up my flat iron so I can flat iron this out. I'm gonna make a middle part. Okay, guys, sorry. I had to get my equipment. All these are sprays. Isn't that crazy? You guys already know my got to be. Because I be getting so many wigs sent to me. Ooh. I had that many. Like, I didn't know I know I had haters. I know I got haters. I had real life haters in my school, but we ain't gonna talk about what happened today. Anyways, but I didn't know I had freaking haters like on Instagram. I never had like a hate comment on Instagram before, like a comment that's annoying me on Instagram. Basically, it's not a hate comment because it doesn't really bother me. And then girls want to be like, oh, you think you all that, or like, oh, you pressed, you big mad, oh, poor Iceland. Yo, some girl want to comment on my video, want to be like, oh, poor Iceland, she's pressed, blah blah blah. I'm like, girl, you commented on my video and I literally respond to you. How I'm pressed? It's my video. What you mean? Like, I don't be understanding girls if you try to violate me, like when people are trying to violate me about my edges, bro, I was violating them back and I was hurting their feelings, and then everybody want to be like, oh, well, I don't appreciate you saying this, or, well, this, that, and the third, trying to be all, now they want to be perfect now. I want you to feel sorry for them. No, you should never came for me, and I would have never said nothing to you. Shit like that. Like, get out of here. I don't care what you say to me. Unless you look better than me, I'm not arguing with you. I'm just gonna hurt your feelings. Especially, always the girls with the private account that be having something to say. Like some girl gonna be like, I just called the chief, and he said it's not it. Girl, I saw your profile picture, and that's really not it. Like, if you love me, I love you. If you support me, I support you. And I'll support you even if you don't support me. And I'll still love you if you don't love me. But don't be a hater. That's not cute, and it's not gonna get you nowhere in life. It's gonna you're just miserable. Girl, shut up. If you have nothing nice to say under my pictures, don't post, don't comment anything. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to violate you. I'm not talking about just looks in general. I'm talking about ugly, like your personality, the way your attitude is. Better yet. Bruise. Pills on me blue. Like a bruise. Better yet. Bills on me blue. So, okay guys, I'm back. I was gone for like a little bit. Slaps. Oh! Okay. Alright guys, so put some like a little bit of oil sheen on my hands. Oh my gosh, yo, my robe is trying to expose me. Well, yeah guys, this is the finished result. I really like this hair. I never had blonde hair before, so your girl is like, alright, I see you. I'm feeling it. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it looks really cute on me, but I'm still gonna dye because like I'm too scared to wear it outside. So maybe one day. But I have to make another video, so let me hurry up with this look. I feel like a black Barbie. Like, hold on, I need to put on Barbie things. Yo, I think he wanna dippy the tippy, then put it on my lippy. Even when it gets sticky, you know it still got the grippy. Put a color in the cart, then gonna call me Ricky. All these bitches my minis, W roll, Cosmo. I got issues. Pull up with somebody dog. Alright guys, this is the back. I probably didn't straighten over the back. When I wear it for real, I will. But right now, this is what it's gonna be, okay? That's how it looks in the back. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. You guys already know this. And I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support. And we're almost at 20K subscribers. Like, let's really go. I'm so excited. Bye, pretties.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous.